Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Obsidian versus Notion versus Roam Research. We'll explore their unique approaches to personal knowledge management, helping you decide which tool is the best fit for your workflow. We'll cover everything from data ownership and offline capabilities to advanced linking and database functionalities. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each platform's strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to choose wisely for your specific needs. Obsidian shines as a powerful local-first knowledge base. Your notes are stored as plain text markdown files on your device, giving you complete ownership and ensuring offline access at all times. Its core strength lies in bidirectional linking, allowing you to effortlessly connect ideas and see relationships through its interactive graph view. With over 500 community plugins available, you can tailor Obsidian to almost any workflow, making it incredibly versatile for deep knowledge work and personal wikis. Notion stands out as an incredibly versatile, all-in-one workspace. It seamlessly integrates notes, databases, wikis, and project management into a single, flexible environment. Its block-based editor allows you to build highly customized pages, from simple notes to complex dashboards. Being cloud-based, Notion offers excellent real-time collaboration features, making it a favorite for teams and shared projects. It provides a unified platform for managing nearly every aspect of your digital life, accessible from any device with an internet connection. Roam Research revolutionized personal knowledge management with its daily notes and block-level bidirectional linking. It's designed for fluid thought capture and serendipitous discovery, allowing ideas to emerge organically from your interconnected notes. As a cloud-based tool, Roam offers powerful querying and filtering across your entire knowledge graph, helping you uncover hidden connections. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. Obsidian for local control and extensibility, Notion for an all-in-one collaborative workspace, or Roam for dynamic thought organization and discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.